So this is how I take care of my ends, and this is how I tie them, by the way, you guys. This is a really cool method and it protects your ends. You guys already know that we retain length from our ends. I decided to create a routine only for my ends. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take them out from the curl. So I usually do this routine and then I kind of tie them up in a bantu knot at the end. So these are the ends of my hair right now. So what I usually do is I try to start moisturizing somewhere from here. So I'm just gonna detangle only that part of my hair like this. These are the ends that we're gonna be moisturizing. So the first thing that I'm gonna be using is water and glycerin. So I mixed glycerin and water, just a few drops of glycerin in my water, and I do this once a week. I'm not gonna be using a leave-in conditioner in this video, but you can use a leave-in conditioner. I like to use my glycerin water, massage that in. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna go in with my cream. Apply your cream to your ends. I think the number one tip I can give you is to make sure you massage in each product. So you're gonna have to take your time. You know, you want to massage it in so that it come back to life. This is butter. You guys have seen this. I'm using this ghee. It has coconut oil, some essential oil, it has rice water, it has olive oil, vitamin C. So it's kind of like a local product that I picked up. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my sunflower oil, and I'm just going to apply it towards the end. My ends feel amazing right now. That's how my ends are looking now. So what I'm gonna do, when you don't show on time, when you go out of line. And I like to twist the ends of my hair instead of braiding them, something like this. And then what I like to do is tie a knot. Again, this is to keep the ends of our hair tucked away. So this is usually how I like to keep my ends. So you guys have seen the step that I was able to do. Don't tell me why. I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too. But you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. I need to know if you are serious about us, yeah. Baby, your love is cold, but I don't feel the trust. Something's not adding up. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I
thing about you, you got a thing about me too. But you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb.
So now my ends are all moisturized, Bantu noted, as you can see. And guys, so that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you love this video or learned something from this video, I want you to give this video a thumbs up, give it a love, and give it a share, and also comment down below what you will do differently with this kind of routine. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.